No, you can't go outside.
Kitty. I'm glad you're not a tiger. We would all.
Hi. And she's just sitting down. Yeah, I can bring her. What? Why is that in here?
Oh, I just put all the pop in there, Papa.
Oh. Hi, today is September 2nd. It's 7:38 in the morning and we're going to... Why do I always forget these things when I'm talking? We keep walking until I remember. Where are we going again?
Sun Peaks.
Sun Peaks, right. In Sun Peaks, you're probably gonna go mountain biking, like you can rent them there. And oh, the sun is bright. It is gone. Okay. I got ice cream. This place is so empty. There's the mountain and the valley. We're going up this trail up there, somewhere on that little hill, and then there's the village. Here's the trail. Keeps going. Oh yeah, we got to Sun Peaks about, can you even see my face? There, about 2 hours ago. We ate lunch at the hotel. Like they have a, I heard a squirrel. They have a restaurant there, but our room won't be ready till 4 o'clock, and it's like 2:30. There's the hotel. This one. We checked in. Here's everything. They have cool looking chairs that I'll probably never sit in. We're going to the pool now. It's around the corner and downstairs because we're on the 3rd floor. Here's the pool. Here's the mountain. Oh, it's warm. Like really warm. We're gonna go eat now. We don't really know where we're eating. We're gonna find somewhere. This is bright. Here's the mirror. We're gonna go eat somewhere in the village. I just changed. We're gonna go now. We're gonna go back now. The hotel's just over there somewhere. But we're gonna walk through the village because it has bright lights. Okay. So we're actually, oh, that's bright. I have the flash on. We're gonna stay for a bit and play these games. We'll go back later. Well, here's the village at nighttime. You probably can't even see me. Okay, now can you probably see me? Here's all the lights, and there's like ski rental places and bike rentals on the other side. I'm in the big chair. Look, it's very big. Ow. Ow. There's all the lights. Here's me again. Trying not to fall and die. Here's me walking across. There's a mini donut place. That's a bigger drop than I expected. I found some better lighting. We're just sitting in the very empty Village Royal. My dad and my brother play football with bark mulch. It is a far drop.
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, here's the bike rental place. Hi.
Put your hair down, I'll climb up.
Our hotel's back there. We're just going on this walkway because I don't know, there's nothing really else to do at 9 o'clock p.m. 8:29 p.m. Look at all the lights. We stopped again to play, you can't even see it. This game. We play shuffle. I forget what it's called. Shuffleboard, right. And then you hit it across to, you can't even see it because it's so dark, to here. I'm red. I suck. I'm sitting in the chair again. It's big. There's Sun Peaks Resort. Here's the chair. We got back inside the hotel. We're gonna go upstairs. We're eating at that place. And then we're gonna go rent mountain bikes from there, or there's two places. We're eating crepes for breakfast. I ate almost all of mine in like 2 minutes. All the mountain bikes were booked from both places, so we're still gonna go up on the mountain. I might fly my drone. I'll just see how windy it is. There. No, I can't see me.
Oh, this is scary.
Snowing and
We're on the
pelting.
chairlift.
Look at the mountain.
There's people biking.
I see it.
We're on the chairlift. There's the
Over
back.
there.
Here's the bottom. There's people biking. Huh.
The whole thing.
Oh, we're stopping. Yeah. Those are big
You wouldn't want
drops.
to fall in there.
There's
Coming
a
down,
car.
Dad?
Oh my
When
god,
we're-
look at the size of these.
Yeah.
And then the one behind us. It's like 3 ski hills. Started barely, they only put one
You
chair.
ride your bike.
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
Sasquatch
It's
Or
another
so-
chairlift.
Oh my god, this goes way up. You
Yeah.
couldn't even see that in the hotel.
There's the stuff down there, or the village. Another. There's the top.
Or
Get off thing.
Yeah, see, there's people hiking
Whoa.
way up there.
Well, here's the mountain. We made it up. We're hiking up that. It's very big.
Where'd you have some?
That would be fun to ski down.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're hiking up the mountain. I don't want to fall. We're going up there. And it's very hot outside. It's like 31 degrees Celsius, which is hot. And ow, there's a lot of sticks. Here's the view so far. You might not be able to see a lot. Skiing down this would be fun. Very fun. Just not this way, because you might hit a tree.
How do I picture you guys?
This is basically most of my legs' views. Ow. Ow. So far, none of this trail has gone up, just sideways. Oh, it's going up.
You see that mountain now?
Yeah, that's the other mountain.
Yeah.
We're way taller.
It goes way up.
There's the view.
Yeah.
The village is down there.
It's probably just an old chairlift they replaced. Spend 5 hours hiking up to this one.
Wow. Through more. Yeah.
Oh, there's that.
No, we just have gone sideways. So far we're going sideways still.
Still going sideways.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, that's an old chairlift thing. There's another chair. All I hear is bees. It's very quiet up here.
It's like 10 feet of power to below you. You just
Man, when there's snow here, those chairs must be close to the snow.
I'm gonna keep going up. I was right there. It is much taller. There's the village and some other places. There's the village.
Oh, so there's that trail that just goes down.
Here's more tram lines. I can't climb this one.
Do it on a mountain. It might just keep rolling down.
Or it hits another rock.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crickets
No.
fly. Grasshoppers just
Yeah.
fly.
did you get it?
That's really green. Oh, okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, so that's the trail
Oh,
there.
there it is.
I got him!
Wait, can I see
I
it?
got him!
So that's the thing.
Here,
I
ready?
thought it went
Open your
down that
hands.
way.
I
but
caught a
it goes up.
grasshopper.
Hey, he actually got it. Okay, go.
There he is. Bounce.
And he fell. Look at this bolt.
2 o'clock, we're gonna get down.
Yeah, so we should go.
There's a view. This is steeper. Try not to fall. It is lunchtime. We're gonna start going back down now to the chairlift and then go down to the village again and probably go in the pool. Oh, I got it. Ah. Oh, we go down this way and it goes across that way. So we took this green run
Healthier raft.
all the way around to like over here on the mountain.
Top of the world is.
And then we went all the way up here and then came back. We were just supposed to take number 5, which is just that way, and it takes you directly up there in like 3 minutes. That was me eating the sandwich there. It's just the music is really loud, so I couldn't talk. Now we're going back down the trail. Or trail. Yep.
So close.
And we're stopped. Right under the thing.
Just set it now. Oh, it'll steep that one is. Blocked in.
Oh, that is a steep drop.
It's actually way easier than skiing. Even skiing, it hurts more to land.
We're almost at the bottom. There's some jumps. I'm going that way.
Look at that one, that drop.
Yeah.
Look at that drop.
We're back in the hotel. We're gonna go swimming, I think, because there's like 2 people in the entire pool.
Ask for like napkins or plates. Crap.
We got pizza for dinner. Where's my pizza?
One of the things they talk a lot about in these videos was the hand contact avoidable, and I think in this case.
We ate the pizza like an hour ago and got ice cream, and we're gonna go look at bikes now. I just showered. It's like 8 in the morning, I think, maybe 7:45, and we're gonna start packing up to go. LL. We got back to our house.